Welcome to Skillspeed. My name is Mihir, and in this quick session I'll be taking you through the applications of big data and Hadoop for an extract, transform, load professional. Today, organizations generate tremendous amounts of data. An ETL professional plays a major role in data management process as they give assistance to database architects, project managers, and trainees as well. Let me take you through the main roles and responsibilities of an ETL professional. Data is generated at various sources, namely mobile phones, OLTP, CRM, ERP, social media, so on and so forth. But it gets aggregated, stored, analyzed at the warehouse junction. An ETL professional is in charge of reading data from these databases, then converts the extracted data into required format, and finally he writes the data to targeted warehouse for further processing. Following are the limitations faced by an ETL professional. Let's consider unstructured data. Unstructured data files often include multimedia content. Files may have an internal structure, but they are still considered unstructured because the data they contain doesn't fit neatly into a database. Unstructured data forms a large portion of all available data and can help you gain an advantage over your competitors. Traditional ETL tools cannot handle such unstructured data. Now let's look at cost and scalability. When an organization grows from a nascent stage, simultaneously its data needs increases and becomes very expensive to expand server capacities. Moreover, in the modern era, industries require real-time analysis to understand customer behavior and provide personalized experiences. Amazon, for example, varies pricing over 232 million products in real time. Traditional database management systems can hardly perform on real-time basis due to various processes involved. Hadoop seems to have a solution to all these problems. Before we move on, let's understand what big data is. Big data is a term for a collection of datasets so large and complex that it becomes difficult to process using traditional database management tools and applications. Apache Hadoop is not a language, neither a tool. It is a framework that allows distributed processing of large data sets across clusters of commodity computers. The following are the salient features of Hadoop. Hadoop is reliable as fault tolerance and automated failover capabilities are built into Hadoop. The framework is economical as Hadoop clusters are created at commodity machines, which are cheaper than traditional database servers. It provides capabilities to store and process structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data, which makes it very flexible. More machines could be added to provide more processing power, which means horizontal scalability is a forte of Hadoop clusters. There are two broad categories of why an ETL should move to Hadoop. On the organization level, organizations have increasingly started using Hadoop as a processing tool as well as a storage tool. Hadoop negates high costs associated with traditional database systems due to its distributed computing model. For an individual growth perspective, Hadoop gives you an opportunity to work on solving real-world problems and get direct entry into the analytics and decision-making world. For example, an ETL with Hadoop skill set could play a vital role of an innovator in the future of smart cities. Depending on the level of expertise in Hadoop, the average salary ranges from 7 to 25 lakhs. We can easily understand by looking at this chart that numbers of industry adapting Hadoop and the paucity of Hadoop professional creates a large demand-supply gap. I'll let you spend some time on this slide to read some excerpts of reports. Hadoop has become an industry standard. Almost 90% of organizations have embarked on Hadoop-related projects, and thus Hadoop skills are huge in demand, according to the Big Data Executive Survey of 2013. The International Data Corporation depicted that the big data market will likely hit $23.8 billion, 31.7% rise per year, the highest and the fastest growing in our technology sector. The previous reports also depict the growth in various fields of like new media, vendors, government contractors, retail sectors are opening up new job opportunities for Hadoop professionals, and these include dream firms like Amazon, Netflix, Microsoft, and many more. We know this because at Skillspeed we train employees of renowned corporations like Wipro, Cognizant, Policy Bazaar, Unisys, and many more. All limitations encountered by a ETL can be negated by the Hadoop framework. Additionally, Hadoop is extensively used by organizations for its functionalities. Hadoop can provide storage capabilities, processing capabilities, abstraction capability, data loading capability, exporting capability, interfacing capability, and querying capabilities. ETLs are in the perfect mix to make this shift. For more on how Hadoop can help boost your career, make sure to visit skillspeed.com. That's it from us. Subscribe for new videos every week, and please do share feedback in the comment section below.